My name is CJ Castelanelli. I'm here with Castelanelli Brothers Dairy. We've been a dairy for about 80 years, right in the central part of the state. Yeah, we do cows, and we also have vineyards too. Dairying in this area over the last few years has gotten real tough to sustain, and we put in a generator. The generator has helped us enormously for cut down on cost, especially for PG&E, because our bill would run about $12,000 to $15,000 a month. And now the generator covers all the cost, and it runs the whole facility. We run the milk barn, the shop, all of our pumps, and then some off of the generator. And then we also sell some back to PG&E.
The engine here is a natural gas engine modified to run on biogas. It's a really rugged engine. Martin Energy Group was actually called Martin Machinery. The engine has been shut down mainly only for routine oil changes. So manure is something that dairymen have to handle every day as a byproduct of producing milk.
We flush it down, it goes through a pipeline and out to a big pond where we trap it. It's turned into methane gas. It's piped to the generator that runs the generator to make the electricity.
It's probably one of the oldest digesters in California that's been running continuously.
Reduces on the smell, makes it better all the way around. Martin Energy has been really accommodating on everything since day one. When they've had new projects come up, they've always asked us, and we've always been willing to do whatever they wanted to try. I said we're going on 18 years now of operating the generator, and it's been great.